Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to dive deep into the world of tile flooring. We will talk about different types of tiles, the best materials for your space, and of course, how to install them properly. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or just exploring for the next options for your renovation, stick around because this is going to be packed with useful tips. Tiles have been around for 1,000 years and for good reasons. They're durable, stylish, and incredibly versatile. Whether you need something for high traffic areas, water-prone spaces like bathrooms, or even outdoor applications, there is a tile option that's perfect for you. Tiles also come in a wide range of materials like ceramic, porcelain, natural stone, and even mosaic. Let's take a look at the most popular options and where you can use them. First up, we have ceramic tiles. They have been a go-to choice for centuries. Ceramic tiles are made from clay and minerals and then fired at high temperatures. They're durable and versatile, making them ideal for walls, floors, and even backsplashes. They come in glazed or unglazed options, but most are glazed, which means they're easy to clean and they're perfect for spaces like bathrooms and kitchens. Next is porcelain, a type of ceramic tile, but even denser and more durable. Porcelain tiles have less than 0.5% water absorption, which makes them excellent for wet areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and even outdoor areas. Because of their strength, they are great for high traffic areas like entryways or hallways. For a truly luxurious look, natural stone is a top choice. This includes marble, travertine, limestone, and basalt. Natural stone tiles give you that raw, earthy elegance, but require more bit maintenance. They need sealing and specific cleaning, so you need to know what you're getting into. Mosaic tiles are small, usually mounted on a mesh for easy installation. They're a popular choice for backsplashes, bathrooms, and even accent walls. You can get them in glass, ceramic, or stone. Endless possibilities for design. So how do you choose the right tile? Here are a few things to consider. Now, if you're thinking about installing tiles yourself, it's doable, but there are a few key steps to follow for a successful project. Start with a clean and flat surface. If it's uneven, your tiles won't sit right. You may need to use leveling compound if your floor has dips or bumps. Next, mix your thin mortar. Spread it evenly using a notched trowel, holding it at a 45-degree to create ridges. Now gently lay each tile onto the mortar and use spacers to keep your grout lines even. For large tiles, use a tile leveling system to avoid leakage. For tricky areas like around corners or fixtures, use tile cutter or wet saw. It's important to wear safety gears when cutting to avoid injury. Once the mortar is dry, it's time to grout. Spread the grout over the tiles with a grout float, making sure to press it into the gaps. Wipe off the excess with a damp sponge and let it dry. If you're using natural stone, don't forget to seal the grout to protect it from the stains. And that's it. With the right materials and a bit of patience, installing tile flooring can be a great DIY project. Whether you're looking to upgrade your bathroom, kitchen, or living room, tiles offer durability, easy maintenance, and endless design options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.